Hello, today we will review our four-corner activity on Protists that you were supposed to complete after the test on Thursday. And some of y'all actually completed this prior to the test, but I want to go over it and make sure that everyone understands about Protists. Okay, so when you watch the video from Moo Science, they describe several things about protists. And so for the four facts, I wanted to point out some of the facts that you should have definitely picked up from the video. One is that protists are unicellular organisms. Two, they can be animal-like, they can be plant-like, and they can be fungus-like. Basically, anything that does not fit in the category as a plant cell, or animal cell, or a bacterium, they're classified as a protist. Also, all protists have a nucleus, a clearly defined nucleus. They also have membrane-bound organelles. So they have things like they have mitochondria. They might have chloroplasts. They have ribosomes. They have all of the very similar organelles that are present in plant and animal cells. They are also eukaryotic. So they are more complex than bacteria cells. They're just as complex as animal cells or plant cells. There are three main protists that you hear a lot about. Number one, you hear a lot about the amoeba. This is the amoeba, and it has a false foot, and it slicks around like the sludge. Okay, so that's the amoeba. Next, you have the euglena, which is this thing right here. It looks like kind of like a squid, but it's not a squid. It's microscopic. You cannot see these things. You must use a microscope. And euglenas are unique in that the sense of they have both characteristics of a plant and animal cell. So if they can't eat their food, then they can produce it using chloroplast. And the last one that we're going to talk about today is the paramecium. Okay, this is the paramecium. It's another, again, protist that is very common that you will find. And the paramecium has these cilia that like are little oars that help it swim around so that it can eat things like dead or decaying matter in pond water. We're going to stop right here so that we can discuss some questions that we might have from studying about protists.